Kay is asking about EBITDA, so that's the earnings before interest, taxes, and depreciation. The thing about EBITDA is at the end of the day, like, you really want to shoot for a 20 to 30% EBITDA. Now, you know, that's the goal, right? But every business is going to be different. It's going to depend on a lot of factors. You know, what's your rent? What's your cost of labor? You know, in Lynn's case, you know, it's like she might have a greater EBITDA if she does all the work, but if she hires caregivers, she might have a much smaller EBITDA because of the fact that she's hiring all that labor. That variable cost has gone up. Now the thing is too is like on 2,000 square feet or at 20 people a day, you can only generate so much revenue. You're kind of limited. So there's not you don't have a lot of infrastructure you could build. But say on like an 8,000 square foot center or a 10,000 square foot center, maybe like, for example, you have a 6,000 square foot center that does 30% in EBITDA, but you have a 10,000 square foot center that does 20% in EBITDA. That 20% in EBITDA on a 10,000 square foot center might still be more per year in net operating income because of just the sheer size of it. And like, if you're doing 2 million in revenue, 20% on 2 million is going to be greater than 30% on 1 million. Does that make sense? So, that's going to be one of those things that it's like hard to give a specific example until we find out the size of the location and the amount we're going to charge and how we're going to staff it. Then we can start figuring out where should we end up.